Hello, this is Mindy Kerr. Today we are going to make a little Halloween treat holder that holds 2 of these little thin Kit Kat bars, which are about the same size as a fun size candy bar. Anyway, this is the easiest kind of treat holder to make. You will, in this case, I'm hooking these 2 together with glue dots. And just put one here and one at the other end on the side. And then we will you'll need to put one of the flaps on the top and one on the bottom so that they'll fit together well. And then we will measure how wide they are. So I like to measure the top, unless you want the top to stick out. So these are almost 2 inches, so we'll do that. Then the length from the top of this to the solid part of the candy bar is 2.5, and they are about a 1/2 inch thick. So we'll count 3. So double that, which is 7. So we will cut a 2-inch by 7-inch piece of cardstock or whatever paper you want. There's our 2-inch. And this paper is 8.5, so we're going to cut 1.5 inches off. Now if you want, you can use your bone folder or your finger to kind of loosen up the center a little bit. We are going to cut little angles off of these corners. And punch a hole in the center. Okay. Now we will go ahead and stamp. We are using the Potions and Spells stamp set, the cute little cat and the little Hocus Pocus. And look at this, kind of up close to the top. Make sure the cat's tail's all the way on. Then rotate your thing. And we will do another one. You can decorate the front and the back differently if you want, but I'm just doing it the same. Okay, now we'll take some more glue dots. Oh, that one had a glue dot on it. Didn't come off. Now you can just put them on the back if you want. If you want to put one on the front or 2 on the front, whichever. Okay, there. Now we will pinch the top together and squish our little thing down. Oh, okay, there. See, now it sticks together pretty well. And we will need 6 inches of ribbon. This is retired, but they sell a black and very vanilla check. So I'll put the link to that in the then you'll fold the ribbon in half. And then depending on how wide your ribbon is and how big your hole is, I'm going to fold this in half again and kind of pinch it so that it will fit easily through the hole. And then just twist it around. Put your 2 ends through the loop. And then pull tight. And there you have a cute little candy bar holder to give out for Halloween. Remember to sign up for my newsletter. Right now we are doing our 12 Weeks of Christmas series, so don't miss out and sign up so you can get access to them through the email. Go to www.nindiescreativecorner.com and click on the newsletter tab. There will be a link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween. Bye.